This call is now being recorded.
Okay, good afternoon. Today we are going to discuss revision class of analog electronics. Okay, it's a PN junction diode. This is a very important question. Actually, okay, if you get question, explain operation or bias or operation of PN junction diode. Okay, you have to. Okay, I will explain the answer. Okay, we have to write uh, which answer we have to write. I will explain. This is one type of question, bias or operation, and VA characteristics of PN junction diode. This is also very important. Next same thing, Zener diode. This Zener diode, VA characteristics and operation they can ask. Okay, these two questions are very important questions. Okay, and third question is I am expecting this question. CE configuration. CE configuration of BJT. CE configuration. This is one important question. Next, compare this one. This is I am expecting. Compare CE, CB, CC configuration. Compare CE, CB, CC configuration. Okay, these two questions I am expecting from this. Okay, next one is MOSFET. I am expecting the question from MOSFET. I am expecting question from MOSFET. Okay. Um, okay, from these definitely one question will be there. First we will discuss these all questions. I will start with the PN junction diode. See here, these all you studied, overview of semiconductors, these all you already studied in physics. Uh, what is the classification of material? Okay, material, conductor, semiconductor, insulator. I hope so in plus 2 also you studied. In plus 2 also you can study. The energy band diagram of, okay, semiconductor, insulator, okay, energy band diagram. For insulator, there is huge energy gap will be there. Okay, energy gap is huge, very huge. Okay, here it is semiconductor. There is a favorable energy gap will be there, and insulator. Sorry, conductor. It is a merged. It is a merged. Okay, these are you already studied, but the differences between conductor, semiconductor, and insulator. Okay, this is maybe there is a chance of asking questions. That's why I given these are classification of semiconductor, intrinsic, extrinsic semiconductors. Okay, intrinsic semiconductor, what's going to be happen? Extrinsic operation of extrinsic. Okay, these are okay. Here onwards it will start. See here, PN junction diode. Okay, see here, PN junction diode operation. They ask operation of PN junction diode. Operation of operation of PN junction diode, or they can ask biasing of PN junction diode. Biasing of PN junction diode. Okay. See here, PN junction, in the name itself, PN junction is found by joining p-type material and n-type semiconductor together, together in very close contact, called as PN junction. The term junction refers a boundary interface where two regions of the semiconductor meet. See, this is a p-type semiconductor, this is an n-type semiconductor. It meet at a point. This is called as a junction. This is a junction, PN junction. Okay, and diode is a, okay, diode is a, the term, okay, that is over. Diode is a two-terminal electronic component that conducts electrical current in only one direction. Only one direction. See here, the current can flow. Okay, it consists of two terminal. Okay, two terminal means actually the name is diode, right? Diode. Okay, what it mean by di means two. Ode means electrodes. Ode means electrodes. Two electrodes are there. Okay, this is anode from p-type material anode, and N-type material cathode. Here also it is anode, and this is cathode. Okay, this is about the symbol of, okay, this is a construction, P-type material, N-type material. Okay, P-type material, we can take one terminal, that is anode terminal. N-type material, we can take another one, cathode terminal. And this is an electrical symbol or symbol of PN junction diode, symbol of PN junction diode. Okay, you can see like this also. This is anode, this is cathode. Next, biasing. Okay, biasing is nothing but providing the external voltage and current to the device called as biasing. Biasing, why we are going to give is to study its characteristics. To study its characteristics. There are two operating region and two biasing condition for the standard junction diode. There are, okay, zero bias, okay, and zero zero bias. Zero bias is nothing but what it means. Okay, we are not going to apply any voltage. 0 volts means zero bias means 0 volts. Okay, there is a 0 volts. See here, with the help of now this one, n region, p region, they given in this way. P region always consists of positive charges. Positive charges. P region always consists of positive charges. N region always consists of, in the name itself, P means positive charge. P means positive charge. N region is negative charge. Here it is called as a depletion region. This we can call it as a depletion region. This is junction. This is junction. This construction is very important. Now I said that zero bias in the sense, okay, we can give it to the short 0 volts. Okay, here with the symbol, this is anode, this is cathode. Okay, we short to the ground. Ground in the sense 0 volts. 0 volts. Then what going to be happen? These diagrams we don't want. Okay, these diagrams we don't want. Okay. When we apply zero bias, okay, what's going to be happen means it develop, okay, depletion region. Zero bias when you apply. Or they can call it zero bias means no external energy. No energy we applied. Okay, that's why the region we can call it as a depletion region. What we can call it as a depletion region. And we have the potential barrier will be there. Potential barrier. Okay, this potential barrier is nothing but this 0 point. Okay, this is a barrier. Okay, it consists of positive charge, negative charge. Definitely it can provide, okay, it can provide some voltage. That voltage is 0.3 volts to 0.7 volts. But these are we don't want. Here there is a barrier. This is a, okay, potential barrier. Now forward bias. Okay, what is meant by forward bias? Listen carefully. What is meant by forward bias? See here, this is the n region. Then I can write it as a, here, listen carefully. No? This is negative terminal and this is positive terminal. P region, listen carefully. P region is connected to, yes. See here. Okay, forward bias, what it means? Listen carefully now. Forward bias, P region. This is anode terminal and this is cathode terminal. Anode, cathode. Okay, P region. P in the name itself, P is a, P means positive. I already said positive. P means positive region. This is connected to the positive terminal of the battery. Positive terminal of the battery. Okay, next N region. It is a N region in the sense N means negative. Okay, it is connected to the negative terminal of the battery. Then we can call it as a forward bias. These diagrams are very, very important. Okay, in some textbook they can give P region in the sense P region, from that we can take it as the anode. Anode is connected to the positive terminal. Cathode is connected to the negative terminal. Then we can call it as a forward bias. We can call it as a forward bias. For example, this is anode here because P side is here, this side. This is a anode, this is a cathode. You can keep it in mind, ma. Here vertical line is there, right? Then vertical line where it will be, that is a cathode side. Okay, please keep in mind. Here, K we are writing like this, right? K we are writing this straight line. This straight line in the diode where it will be there, it is a cathode. Now here the straight line, then what it means? This is cathode, this is anode. That's it. Okay, now tell me that anode is connected to the positive terminal. Yes, correct? Cathode is connected to the negative terminal, then it is a forward bias. Forward bias. Okay, that is the meaning they given. Okay, see here. Okay, what going to be happen? Listen now. Positive, we know that positive terminal is connected to the positive type of region. Okay, negative terminal is connected to the negative terminal of the region. Is it correct or not? When same charge is connected, repel each other. Repel each other means holes are. Listen carefully. ఇక్కడ ఏముంటాయేమో ఈ region లో holes are there. N region లో ఏముంటాయేమో electrons are there. These holes can be plus 15 minutes. Okay, these positive, okay, these positives are going to be ripple here. See here, positive, positive, these positive will be ripple here. These negative, negative connected ripple each other. Then, okay, holes can move in this direction. Electrons can move in this direction. That's it. Okay, holes can move this direction. Electrons can move this direction. Understand or not? Okay, that is the matter you can build up. Okay, that is right. Okay, then when the charge carriers can cross the junction, the current will be generated, and this current we can call it as a forward current. This current we can call it as a forward current because it is a forward bias, and this forward current direction is always anode to cathode. Anode to cathode. This is IF. This is IF current. Okay, I will repeat here. Simple one. Here it is a positive terminal of the battery, negative terminal of the battery. Positive is connected to the P region. That's why holes are okay ripple, and it can move towards the junction. Towards the junction. This is a junction, right? Towards the junction, and it can cross the junction. Same thing. Here negative terminal of the battery connected. Okay. Then from N region, electrons are ripple, and it can move towards the junction, and it cross the junction. When charge carriers cross the junction, the current will be generated. This current we can call it as a forward current. This current we can call it as a forward current. Okay. See here, this current is called as a forward current. Please keep in mind. Next, reverse bias. Reverse bias, what going to be happen? Okay, here, reverse bias, here charge carriers. See here, first reverse bias, P region, okay, P region, P is positive, right? P means positive is connected to negative terminal of the battery. Negative terminal, reverse. Negative terminal of the battery. Okay, next N means it's a negative terminal, negative region is connected to the positive terminal of the battery. Positive is observe that positive region is connected to the negative terminal. Negative region is connected to positive terminal. It is a reverse we are connecting, not same side. That's why it is called as a reverse bias. Then it's called as a reverse bias. Okay, when it is in reverse bias, what's going to be happen? See, this is the diagram very important. See, N is connected to the N region. N is negative. It is connected to the positive terminal of the battery. I will draw in simple way. So here, this is positive. You can keep it. This is positive, and this is negative. Okay. See, positive line is very big now. Okay, negative. Then okay, next one. This is reverse bias. Reverse bias, if you observe here, these are negative charges. N-type means negative charges are there. That is connected to positive terminal, means opposite charge, attract each other. Here, P region, positive region, okay, holes, okay, positive charges connected to negative, means what it means? It will attract. Then what's going to be happen? It can move towards the, okay, towards the battery. Here holes can move towards the battery, electrons can move towards the battery. When it can moving away, okay, from the junction, moving away, right? It's moving. Electrons are moving in this direction, holes are moving in this direction. Then the depletion region width is increased. Depletion region width is increased. Depletion region width increased. When depletion width is increasing, or wider depletion region layer. Okay, depletion region width when it is increasing, there is a no current. There is a no current. That's why when there is a no current, it can act as an open circuit. Means the current will be Okay, this is also we have to draw the circuit diagram. This is anode terminal and this is cathode terminal. Okay, anode is connected to the negative terminal, cathode is connected to the positive terminal. That's why current is 0. When current is 0, then diode I can represent with the open circuit. Open circuit. This is an open circuit. Open circuit. Open circuit. And here, see, current is flowing, right? That's why it is a short circuit. This is a short circuit IF. This is about the biasing of the diode. Biasing of the diode. Please keep it up. Okay. Next, VI characteristics. This is easy. And one more thing, I will tell one point, one important point. This is the next question. VI characteristics of PN junction diode. Next question. Okay. Now VI characteristics is nothing but, listen carefully, we have to draw the graph. Okay, the graph is in between voltage and current. Voltage and current. Graph we have to draw. Okay, x-axis I have to take it as a voltage, y-axis I have to take it as a current. Okay, this is a very, very important one. Please keep in mind. Okay, now same matter you can write it forward bias what's going to be happen. This is the diagram. This diagram you have to remember. Please keep in mind this diagram. Okay, this diagram is same for Zener diode also characteristics. Okay, this diagram I will show to you very simply. Okay, now forward bias characteristics where it will come. I said forward bias means forward positive voltage, positive current. Then these are forward characteristics will come in first quadrant. Reverse bias characteristics will come in second quadrant. Then if I draw the graph, how we can get, I can draw like this also. Okay, and reverse bias characteristics, and this is knee voltage. Here they give it, this is a knee voltage. Okay, next one, here it is breakdown voltage. Okay, knee voltage I can represent with V gamma. Here I can represent with VZ. Then here it is VF IF, forward bias, right? Then reverse bias in the sense VR IR. IR. This is a forward bias, this is a reverse bias. This is a diagram we have to draw. Next, applications of PN junction diode. See, very, very important is rectified circuit, clipper, okay, and clamping. Okay, clamping circuit, and you can remember as a switch, these 3 points. Diode as a switch, it's very important part. Diode as a switch, because it is on and off, right? Forward bias it is a on, reverse bias it is a off. Okay, these 3 you can write. Remaining, which one you need you can remember. Okay, these 3 must should be there. This is about the PN junction. Now Zener diode. See, Zener diode. This is a wrong symbol. Okay, I can draw. Okay, see here. This is a diode, right? This is a straight line. It is a diode. Straight vertical line. It is a diode. For this, you can draw Z. See, this is like a Zener diode means first letter is Z. That's why Z. Zener diode. See, symbol only will change. Okay, but one more thing. Zener diode is heavily doped. Please keep in mind. Here it is Z. Heavily doped. Zener diode is heavily doped. You remember that one. That's it. Operation, everything. Okay, circuit symbol. For example, if they ask the operation, see, previously PN junction, what you've seen, same thing we can see here also. Okay, same thing, man. Okay, but the circuit symbol will change. Okay, listen carefully. Zener diode, if they ask the operation, okay, or biasing of Zener diode, the symbol will change. Remaining all are same. See, forward bias circuit, I will draw it here. For example, it is a forward bias. I can draw. This is a anode. Same. This is a anode. This is a cathode. Where here vertical line will be there, that is a cathode. Then here one resistor, and forward bias in the sense anode is connected to positive terminal, cathode is connected to negative terminal. Okay, this is a forward bias. If it is a reverse bias, okay, diode has to connect it reverse bias. This is anode terminal and this is cathode terminal. Okay, this is a negative terminal and this is positive terminal. Anode is connected to negative terminal, cathode is connected. This is a forward bias, reverse bias. And same thing, what you, okay, written everything on PN junction, same thing you can write. VI characteristics also same, please keep in mind. But here, this is not that much wider. Okay, here, it is a heavily doped, right? We will get knee voltage, see here. Okay, previously I can draw up to here. No, this one I can draw here only, like this. That's the difference. That is the difference. Remaining all are same. These are VI characteristics of Zener diode. See here, ma. PN junction, Zener diode, matter, everything is same, but only one different. PN junction is, okay, lightly doped. This is okay, heavily doped. That's why here it is going to be changed. The characteristics. This current will come very early goes current. That's why we can draw very closely. This is the difference. And symbol lo PN junction ఎలా ఉంటుందేమో నార్మల్ స్ట్రైట్ లైన్ ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, స్ట్రైట్ వర్టికల్ లైన్ ఉంటుంది. అదే జీనా డేట్ ఎలా ఉంటుంది, జెడ్ అనేది ఉంటుంది. అంటే ఇట్ మీన్ హియర్ లైక్ దిస్, like this. Okay, this is about Zener diode and PN junction diode. Okay, next, Zener breakdown, avalanche breakdown. This you don't write, I will show to you. This also don't write. Yeah, here it is. It occurs. See, this question also I'm expecting. That's why. Okay, that's why I'm. Yeah. Yeah, avalanche breakdown, avalanche breakdown and Zener breakdown. It occurs in lightly doped PN junction. It occurs in heavily doped. Means avalanche breakdown in which one PN junction lo occur avutundi. Zener diode heavily doped PN junction lo. Depletion region width is large ga untundi ikkada small ga untundi. Depletion region width. Okay, electric field in depletion region width is weak. Okay, electric field EF అనేది ఓకే వీక్ గా ఉంటుంది. ఇక్కడ ఎలక్ట్రిక్ ఫీల్డ్ ఈజ్ స్ట్రాంగ్. ఎలక్ట్రిక్ ఫీల్డ్ ఈజ్ ఇక్కడ ఇన్ డిప్లీషన్ రీజన్, ఈజ్ స్ట్రాంగ్. Okay, here avalanche breakdown, right? That's avalanche multiplication occur. Okay, avalanche multiplication occur. Ikkada tunneling, Zener lo tunneling is going to work. Power dissipation is high. Here power dissipation is less. Heat dissipation is high. Heat dissipation is less. Breakdown voltage VZ should be greater than 6 volt. Here less than 6 volts. Okay, more chance of device get damaged. Endukante heat dissipation where it is high, it is easy to get the damage. Here very less chance to device to get the damage. Positive temperature coefficient, because the heat is very high. Here heat is less. That's a negative temperature coefficient. Please keep in mind. Okay, this is about the Zener diode and okay PN junction. This is the first part. I'm giving as a first part. From this we will expecting 5 questions we completed now. Okay, what are that one? PN junction. See here, I will show the 5 questions. PN junction diode, forward bias, reverse bias application. Zener diode. Okay, PN junction diode, VI characteristics. At Zener diode principle, VI characteristic application. I didn't tell. Okay, differences between Zener breakdown and avalanche breakdown. Okay, comparison of Zener diode, PN junction diode. This is also will complete. This also we are going to complete. See here. I will show to you. I will explain. Comparison Zener diode. Yeah. See, Zener diode breakdown. Okay, Zener diode work on reverse bias condition. Okay, ఎందుకంటే PN junction diode, okay, reverse bias apply చేసినప్పుడు it get damage. That's why the application is forward bias condition లో అప్లై చేస్తాం. This is reverse bias. Okay, characteristics. See here, we can write that characteristic. This is important for practical application. Third quadrant. This is the first quadrant. And everything is symbol. Okay, Zener diode symbol is this one. PN junction diode symbol is this one. Okay, here Z will be there. Here normal straight line will be there. And very important one. Okay, here it is not there. Listen carefully. It is a heavily doped one. Which one is heavily doped? Okay, first point you have to write. Zener diode is heavily doped. heavily doped. This is lightly doped. This is lightly doped. Lightly doped. That's it. Okay, heavily doped Zener diode. This is a lightly doped. That's why, see here, conduction in Zener diode opposite to the arrow in the symbol, because it is working reverse bias direction. That's why. అంటే arrow అంటే కరెంట్ ఉంటుంది కదా, కరెంట్ డైరెక్షన్ ఆపోజిట్లో ఉంటుంది. కండక్షన్ వెన్ ఫార్వర్డ్ బయాస్ ఈ సేమ్ డైరెక్షన్ అట్ ద టైమ్ ఆఫ్ arrow సింబల్, ఇలాగే ఉంటుంది కరెంట్. ఓకే, అప్లికేషన్ చూడమ్మా, వోల్టేజ్ రెగ్యులేటర్, ప్రొటెక్షన్ సర్క్యూట్, వోల్టేజ్ లిమిటర్ సర్క్యూట్, వోల్టేజ్ లిమిటర్స్. వాట్ ఇట్ మీన్ వోల్టేజ్ రెగ్యులేటర్స్ మనం ఎక్కడ యూస్ చేస్తాం, స్టెబిలైజర్స్లో యూస్ చేస్తాం G0 డయోడ్ని. ఓకే, ప్రొటెక్షన్ సర్క్యూట్స్ ఇక్కడ ఆల్రెడీ చెప్పాను, 3 గుర్తుపెట్టుకునే చాలు, రెక్టిఫైర్, క్లిప్పర్, క్లాంపర్ అండ్ స్విచ్. ఫిఫ్త్ వన్ స్విచ్. Okay, this is differences between, okay, main thing Zener diode heavily doped, ఇది lightly doped, and circuit symbols, characteristics, these all you can write. And one more thing, listen carefully, ఒకవేళ మీకు explain diode act as a switch అన్నాడు అనుకోండి, this is also, ఇది కూడా ఒక వన్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ క్వశ్చన్. ఓకే, ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్, ఓకే, డయోడ్ యాక్టింగ్ యాజ్ అ స్విచ్ అంటే సేమ్ థింగ్ రాయను. ఆపరేషన్ యూ కెన్ రైట్ సేమ్ వే, సేమ్ రాసేసి, ఓకే, ఫైనల్ ఎక్కడ రాస్తారు ఇక్కడ, ఓకే, ఫార్వర్డ్ బయాస్లో ఉన్నప్పుడు, ఓకే, ఇట్ కెన్ యాక్ట్ యాజ్ ఏ షార్ట్ సర్క్యూట్. హియర్ ఇట్ కెన్ రివర్స్ బయాస్లో ఉన్నప్పుడు ఇట్ కెన్ యాక్ట్ యాజ్ ఏ ఓపెన్ సర్క్యూట్. దట్స్ ఇట్. సేమ్ మ్యాటర్ యూ కెన్ రిపీట్, నాట్ ఇష్యూ. If they asked diode act as a switch, okay, from the diode I am expecting PN junction diode characteristics or operation. You can study that one. Zener diode ki symbol matram change chesi, as it is you can write it. Everything you can write it. Symbol you can change, you can write it. Okay.